Hello friends, this is Ali welcoming you to part 3 of basic training on Microsoft Excel. Friend, if you remember video 1 and 2, part 1 and 2, we had very briefly seen 5 basic formulae which are used in Excel. This was part 1, what we had trained you during part 1, and this section was basically part 2. During part 1, we had seen how to use the sum formula, the basic formula, and during part 2 friends we had seen how to use the 4 mathematical key which are available in every keyboard, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I hope that by now you might have practiced it and by now you might have mastered these 5 formulae. So without wasting any further time my friends, let's directly get into the subject for further training on it. So I've just made an addition to what was trained during part 1, this section and this section. The details are given here. I've just made a small table. It is the same as you can see here. The name of the students A, B, C, D and E, the marks. I've just included the maximum marks, that is they have got 50 out of 70. Student B has got 60 in English. Similarly in Maths, student A have got 45 out of 70. I've just prepared this table just to save some time. There is no formula, this is all manual data entry. What I wanted to show you here is how to calculate percentage. You know how to calculate addition, you know how to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we'll be talking about percentage. So this is how you get percentage my friends in Excel. For that, for example, student A, his mark is 50 out of 70. So what percentage he has scored? Again, you need to select the cell where you want the percentage. Rule 1 is to enter the equal to sign and then select the mark what he has got, that is 50, divided by the maximum mark. So this will give you the percentage. Press the enter key. So this is the percentage. Now the cell, the format of the cell is general. If you want it in percentage, this is the second option what I am giving you here. You need to go to the home key. You can see one option here, it states the default option is general. You need to open this and here you need to select percentages. You need to select this. Once you select that, the value will appear in percentage. There is another simpler way here. Once you have applied the percentage formula, to get the cell activated in percentages, you need to select the cell, press the right key. You can see one option here called format cell, and then you can click on that and you will find general numbers and you have to select this one, percentage, and you can reduce or increase the decimals as well. I'll just keep it at 0 and you need to press the OK key. So this is how you get percentage here, right? I'm not going at each tab separately, individual function. I'm not going in order because that is of no use actually. We'll go in step by step. As per the requirement, I'll show you the different options. As per the requirement, I'll show you the different formulas. That will be easy for you to grasp as well. So this is how you get the percentages. And now if you need to apply the same to the remaining formula, you can drag it down, or other option is you can right click on the cell where you have applied the formula, copy it, right? Just select the cell where you have applied the formula, copy it, and then select all the cells where you want to apply the formula. Again do the right click. Here you have this option of paste special. Under paste special, you have first option which is paste, option 2 paste value, option 3 paste formula, option 4 transfer. Basically we want to enter we need to select the first option which is paste. So once you have pasted it, you get all the percentages accordingly. You just need to copy it and paste it to the corresponding cell. The format here has gone, but we can do that later once we have applied. How to do formatting and coloring, that is very simple. I believe you might be knowing it, and even in case you don't know it, it is very simple. We'll get to those things in future in the parts that is coming after this one. So let us apply the same formula here as well. For max subject, there is max subject, the mark got what the student 1 has achieved is 45 and the maximum score is 70. Same thing, press the cell, press the equal to sign, select cell 145 divided by cell 2. This is how you get, and again you need to select the percentage option. You need to go to the format cell, you need to select the percentage option. If you don't want decimal, remove it, press OK key. Similarly, to get the result in the corresponding cell, you can just drag it down, or you can also copy this. Just right click, copy, and then again select the cell where you want the total, and then right click again and just paste it. Right, let's do it for this one as well. For science subject, is do this divided by 70. Again we'll go to the percentage. We can go from here as well. We can select the percentage. We don't want decimal. We can to reduce the decimal, you have the option here as well, or you can do the right click. If you want to reduce it, just select this one, drag it. Now these are the percentages what every student has received in English, Maths and Science, right? Like student D has got 79% in English, 57% in Maths and 79% in Science. So let us see his aggregate total here. How do we get the total for all the subject? Same thing, formula 1. First you need to select the cell, equal to sign. English he has got 50 plus, in Maths he has got 45 plus, in Science he has got 35. So that's it. Once we have concluded the formula, we need to press the enter key. This is 130, right? Similarly, we can drag it to the corresponding cells to get the total. So these are the total what A has got in all the subject. B has got 123, and this guy has got, C has got 151, and D has got 150, and E has got 120. Similarly, let us see what is the total mark. Same option. The total marks are 70 for English, maximum mark. For maximum marks, max 70 again, and for Science maximum mark is 70 again. Once we have selected this cell, we need to enter the key to get the result. So it is 210, and it will be same for all the student. Now friends, now we have the total mark received by all the student in all the subject, and the maximum mark that the student are entitled. So let us see the percentage out of it. What is the total percentage for student A? Equal to sign, total marks divided by maximum marks. So let us put the percentage formula here. You have the percentage here as well. You have the percentage under this option as well, and you have the percentage by right click. You can do the right click under format option. You can get percentage here as well. So the best thing, the easiest way is to just click this option, the percentage here, right? Got the percentage here, and you can drag it to the corresponding cell as well. So now you have the total percentage for all the students, right? So this is very important formula. This is how you calculate percentages in Excel. You need to apply the formula, which is equal to sign, mark achieved, divided by total mark. The same formula can be applied under any data, whether it is you're calculating salary for your employee, the total salary has received in January, his basic HRA. The same formula will apply for any data, whether it is salary, whether you are doing stock analysis for stock market, whether you are preparing mark sheet, what we have done now, or whether any other kind of analysis you are doing. The formula what you are going to apply is same. You just need to have a logic, the reasoning, but the formula will remain the same. So this is how you do it. And just to show you a little bit of formatting, how to do the formatting of the cell, it's very simple. If you want to put this entire analysis, entire mark list in a proper design, in a proper format, just select the entire cell. There are different ways you can do formatting. Once you have selected that, for everything there is a right click option, there is format cell option. Under format cell you can see here borders. Under border you can just select the format as you want. You can select anything. If you want a double line, you can select double line and then click it on all 4 borders, including the centers and including the row column and horizontal column. And once you do OK, the format will come automatically. And again here you can do the same thing. You can see this box here, you open it and select the kind of format you want. It is very simple. And as far as coloring is concerned, you can do the coloring similar way. You can either click right, again format cell, you have fill, you can fill the color you want to. Similarly, if you want the color, the alphabets to be in red, you can again go to the format, font. Under font you can select the color here, automatic. you can select the color red, and the entire font color for the headings will be in red. Similarly, if you want to put color, there are other options. Instead of right click, just select here and then again select the cell. I hope it is understood, friend. It is very simple, and there's no big thing here, no big deal here. So now you know how to apply some formula for mandatory keys, plus, minus, multiplication and division, and today you have seen how to enter the percentage formula and along with some basic necessary design. I hope part 3 is clear, my friend. You do practice it at home, all the 5 formulas including the percentage formula and some basic formatting as well. And if you have any concerns, any queries, any doubt, do post them, do comment, do share, do like, and please do subscribe. And thanks for watching. Looking to meet you again in part 4 of Basic of Microsoft Excel. Thank you once again, my friend.